Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen we're going to make some peanut clusters. So let's go. Alright guys, to make our delicious chocolate peanut clusters, I'm going to be using this right here, this chocolate almond bark. If you want to use regular chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate, you definitely can do that, but I just love the taste that this almond bark gives my clusters, so I'm going to be using this, and I really like to use this when I'm making candy period, because again it just melts easier, and again I love the flavor. So I did break that up, and we're just going to get all the pieces into my crock pot here. Now I did get this cute little mini crock pot from HEB. They had these for Halloween, and I actually caught it after Halloween. It was like 20% off or whatever, and I had to get it. I'm like, that is the cutest little Day of the Dead crock pot, and again I had to get it. So again, we're going to set that on high, and we're going to let this cook for about 30 to 40 minutes, or when you notice that your chocolate is melting, looking just like that there. So I did add my peanut butter in here, and also a teaspoon of Crisco, because that Crisco is going to help your chocolate to not only give it that shiny look, but it's going to help for it to smooth out and stay smooth. Okay, so we're just going to give this a good mix. So like I mentioned, or I don't know if I mentioned, but even though the chocolate is still in squares, guys, it did melt, because that's what chocolate do. It tends to keep its form even though it's completely melted. So now that we are melted, we're going to go ahead and add in our peanuts, and I am using these cocktail peanuts. Now I've seen where people use honey roasted peanuts, they use the dry roasted peanuts, but I just love the cocktail peanuts because again, that's just a personal preference. So I'm just going to go ahead and give these a good mix, and I'm going to gradually add them in there until I get the whole thing in there, okay, because I'm using that entire container, and I just didn't want to overfill my crock pot. So here we are here. I did get them all in there in mix. So now we're going to go ahead and start to add these onto my cookie sheet that I have lined with parchment paper, and I'm using my little mini ice cream scoop there to do it, because I always get the perfect portion when I am scooping it out. Okay, and it is going to spread, you know, once you get it onto the cookie sheet, which is normal, and that's okay. So if you want to make them bigger, you know, you can just go ahead and add like 2 dollops to that one section that you're scooping out, but again, that's totally up to you. So for the cute little sprinkles, I am using these little Christmas sprinkles here, because we are making Christmas candies. Okay, so if you're going to do it for Easter, just go ahead and switch up the colors. They are going to be just as cute, but I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of this on top, and that's as pretty much as it get, guys. We're going to go ahead and we're going to let these set up, and like I mentioned to you guys before, I am giving these out as gifts to people, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you of how to make delicious chocolate peanut clusters. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Later. And if there's anything you guys like to see, let me know. Have a good one.